Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. A lot of people would be very happy making money by working online in their home. There are lots of ideas and offers available in this regard, however, you usually have to pay. To avoid the bad apples, read the tips below. Watch out for scams. There are so many options for online income, but some are not that attractive. Read reviews of any plan you want to implement in your online strategy before you sign on the dotted line for anything. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. You can always just search Google for pointers about making money. You will find that search engines will deliver up many pages containing countless money-making options to choose from. Once you have found a good-looking opportunity, research the company reputation and reviews. Be cautious to protect yourself. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Now that you have these valuable tips about finding legitimate work that you can do from home, it will be possible to make a little extra spending money. You really can earn your living online these days. Remember the things you read in this guide, and you will be able to find work that pays well. Student loan.